welcome to the third episode of our Adobe Illustrator series. In this lesson, you will learn the essential tools and features you need to create amazing vector designs. This session is focused on shape editing, color tools, and working with layers. I'm going to show you the demo. Shape Builder tool. This tool helps you combine or erase parts of overlapping shapes. For example, draw a circle and a square, then use the Shape Builder tool to remove parts you don't need and keep only the desired area. From the keyboard, you can press Shift and M to active Shape Builder tool. And here we have Paintbrush tool. We used to draw freehand lines and shapes with a brush. You can use this tool to create freehand drawings or to add curved lines and details to your design. From the keyboard, you can press the B to active Paintbrush tool. After that is eyedropper tool. Eyedropper tools allow you to pick a color from any object or image and apply it to your design. Simply click on an object or image to sample its color and then apply it to your selected shape or element. From the keyboard, you can press I to active eyedropper tool. After that is layers panel. Layers panel organize your design into different layers, making it easier to manage and edit. Place each design element like background, text, shapes on its own layer. You can lock or hide layers to focus on specific parts of the design. And from the keyboard, you can press F7 to open and close layers panel. And you can also group and ungroup in layers panel and groups multiple selected objects together so they can be moved, scaled, or modified as a single unit. After selecting several objects, group them to manipulate them together. For example, if you have multiple shapes that from a logo, you can group them to move or scale them together. From the keyboard shortcut, you can press Ctrl and G to group them. And ungroup breaks apart a grouped set of objects so they can be edited individually. If you need to work on a specific object within a group, ungroup the objects, so modify them separately. For ungrouping, you can press Shift plus Ctrl plus G. The last one is color panel. Allows you to choose precise custom colors for your design. You can manually select colors or apply presets colors from the swatches panel. From the keyboard shortcut, you can press F6 to open and close color panel. What we covered today, we covered shape editing, cover tools, working with layers, how we can make group layers and ungrouping layers, about eyedropper tools, and etc. About next lesson, we will dive into typography, learn how to work with text tools, and explore how to make text-based. If you have any question, you can drop them in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe our channel.